It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, May 3rd. I'm James Spann. Rain knocking on the door. We'll see rain at times tonight and tomorrow. The main severe weather threat well to the south. Let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Pretty dynamic trough digging down across the southern plain states. You see a big mass of storms west of the state. High cirrus clouds rolling in here this afternoon. We're dry, but rain not that far away. That's the radar coming out of Slidell, Louisiana. Severe thunderstorms passing through the New Orleans metropolitan area at 2:32. Rain about to move into southwest Alabama. And again, all of Alabama, all 67 counties get some rain tonight and tomorrow. A warm afternoon, mostly low 80s, Birmingham at 83. Noticeably colder just north of here. And tomorrow, we'll see highs back in the 60s. And by Friday, highs will drop into the 50s. Friday's going to be a raw, chilly May day. Southwest Alabama, flash flood watch in effect. Includes Choctaw, Clark, Monroe, Conecuh, Escambia, Mobile, Baldwin, Washington counties, and much of South Mississippi and over to Pensacola, Escambia County, Florida. There's a tornado watch west of the state for parts of East Texas and much of Louisiana. That's in effect until 5 o'clock this afternoon Central Time. An enhanced risk of severe weather through parts of Texas and Louisiana. In Alabama, and I think that's clearly the right thing to do. You know, on the morning outlook, we showed you the SPC guys had a marginal risk up to the Tennessee state line. They've cut all that out. We don't expect any severe weather around here. The problem should be down in Mobile and Baldwin counties in southwest Alabama, where we got the standard slight risk overnight. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk south of a line from near Heflin to around Monroeville and Fort Morgan. The area is in darker green. But again, even tomorrow, I think the main chance of any severe storms over southeast Alabama, probably south and east of Montgomery. Rain for the next 5 days, about 1 inch for the north, 2 to 3 inches for the south. Heavier totals in southwest Alabama with a flash flood watch there. Hey, look at this thing. Model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Deep trough rotating through here. But let's go through the timeline on the rain. This is this evening at OZ. This is 7 o'clock local time. This is the herd, the rain coming into Tuscaloosa and Birmingham at that point. 11 o'clock tonight, we have widespread rain, just a big old rain mass over north and central Alabama. Nothing severe, maybe some thunder. At 5 a.m., that rain will be exiting the Birmingham metro, still raining in Anniston and Gadsden if this is valid. This is the HER model again. But that big rain mass is most likely from about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening on through 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Maybe some thunder, nothing severe. Now, this is the NAM tomorrow at 1 o'clock. New showers begin to form with a cold front coming in. There could be a break in the rain for much of the morning, but the showers develop pretty quickly during the midday hours. Then by 3 o'clock, we can see a couple of bands of thunderstorms. One heavier one from Clay and Randolph counties down to the south. And really the better chance of any severe weather with that feature should be down in southeast Alabama, where the instability values are better. This is the Cape, valid tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and it's just not that much. So the bottom line is, for the northern half of the state, we don't expect any severe weather. Maybe some issues overnight tonight down around Mobile, and then tomorrow afternoon for southeast Alabama. But some good rains, and we'll take that. That's a good thing. And, of course, tomorrow cloudy with temperatures in the 60s pretty much all day. There's the synoptic scale look tomorrow at 1 o'clock with a surface low over western Kentucky. Now, this is Friday. It's going to be a raw, cold, breezy day here. A surface low is approaching Pittsburgh. We've got moisture wrapping around the backside of that thing. We'll see strong west winds of 15 to 25, periods of rain. Temperatures in the 50s. The wind's going to make it feel colder. It will feel more like a midwinter day, more like January. Look at the anomalies on Friday. Almost 25 degrees below average around here. Wow. But the good news on Saturday, we'll be in great shape. We start the day well down in the 40s. The sky will be sunny. The high will be around 70. And Sunday, beautiful weather. Sunny with mid to upper 70s. Just delightful. Go to Monday of next week. Sunny. The high will be close to 80. We are still dry Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I've got a trough west of the state. We're under ridging. We should stay warm and dry. We'll go to the end of next week. This is Friday, May 12th, and that should be our next chance of rain. A surface low near Memphis, and that looks wet with rain and storms. Way too early to know if severe weather will be a problem. And then this is Saturday, May 13th. A deep trough across the region. The surface low begins to lift out. And if that's right, we'll turn noticeably cooler with perhaps a dry weekend. Numbers coming off the European You can see the highs dropping in the middle 50s on Friday. Wow. Then 70s for the weekend, 80s next week. And it's about that time of the year we should see 80s, pretty close to average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.